Today we are going to learn the poem named Vocation. Vocation means a person's main employment or main occupation which requires dedication. This poem, Vocation, was written by Rabindranath Tagore. In this poem, poet Rabindranath Tagore described a kid who was attracted towards the vendors or the hawkers on his way of going to and returning from school and started thinking about what he wished to do in the future. So let's see what are the things that fascinates him towards them. So let's start with reading the poem. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. So, according to this para of the poem, when the kid saw the hawker at 10 o'clock in the morning on his way to school, actually hawkers are the persons who sells on the streets. Selling bangles, he means that boy wished to become a hawker. And why he wants to become a hawker? So that he is able to go anywhere at any time without following any particular road and is able to spend his whole day on the road selling bangles. Next para. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. So, in this para, poet said that at 4 o'clock in the afternoon on his means that boy's way back to home from his school. He saw a gardener through the gate of a house. That gardener was digging the ground, and after watching that gardener who was busy in his work, his vocation was again changed. Now he wished to become a gardener. Again, the question is why that kid wants to become a gardener? So that, like gardener can dirt his hands and clothes while digging the ground in sunny or in rainy days, and no one would scold him for that, he can dig that ground as long as he wants to. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the streets all night, chasing the shadow with my lantern. Yes, according to this para, when it gets dark and that boy's mother sent him to bed, at that time from his window he saw a watchman walking up and down in the dark lonely lane. Here lane means a narrow road. So he wished to become a watchman so that he can walk to the streets all night carrying a large lantern and does not have to go to bed. So, in short, there are three professions towards which the kid was fascinated. First is to become a hawker so that he can spend all his days on road and can go anywhere at any time and does not have to hurry home. Second is to become a gardener so that he can dirt himself and no one can scold him. And at last, he wished to become a watchman so that he can walk all night with his shadow at his side.